Paver restoration of Florida, 352-282-2886. We're at this home in Spring Hill. We clean the sidewalk, drain, sidewalk to the corner. We'll be cleaning, sanding, and sealing these pavers. We're also going to be putting these pavers back down, new ones, locking them down as they're falling off the edge. Went through and reset a few pavers up here that are wobbly. Working our way down this way. A few cuts we'll have to make, nothing too crazy. That's why we have the equipment. Got the wet saw with us today. 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com. 352-282-2886, Paver Restoration of Florida. We cleaned, sanded, and sealed this driveway. We also repaired about 80 feet, maybe 100 feet of edging on the pavers. Fell off the driveway. We also fixed about 10 broken pavers in the center. You can see how much nicer it is on the edges. I only had to cut about 12 pavers. Make them fit a little better. You can see the color really pops out of these all the way through. Clean sidewalks, clean the Miami gutter. See the nice sheen coming off these things.